90% of traders lose 90% of their money in 90 days, but you're not going to be one of them. And I'm going to show you where your common mistakes are and how to fix them very quickly. The first thing is that, and I'm going to go to the charts for this. So the very first thing to note, most of you are trying to pick reversal points. Picking reversals is the hardest thing you can possibly do, and unfortunately it's what you've been taught by every other content creator out there. Every content creator out there will tell you, go try and, here's support and resistance, go pick a short, go find where it's going to bounce from. That is not how you should be trading. You should be riding trends, and I've added two of the same indicator to my chart that's completely free for anyone to use so that you can fix that immediately. So you can see that I've added two almas. If you go into here and just put moving average, it's the Onol Lagu moving average, this one right here, and one is set, I just made the lines really thick, I set one to 50 in window size and the other one is set to 13, and again thick lines, and all you have to do is only take your trades only take buys when it's going up and only take shorts when it's coming down. That's going to remove so many losses and so much trouble from the majority of traders, because most of you are just trying to pick reversal points off the end. If you just ride the trend, you'll find your life a lot easier. How am I going to do it? Well, so in this case it's actually breaking through, but when you get across and you've broken through, all you would do is look on the daily when you've seen that. If you go on the 4 hour, very, very easy. You just look for the same thing. So in this case, I would be looking for my short. We know that the daily is going short as well. Whoops, not over there. So we'll make the assumption that the daily has crossed already. Just for the ease of this video, I would then just set my stop loss past the previous high, which in this case is just here, and keep my take profit. I would set 50% to come off at 1-to-1 risk reward, because then you've secured some and you can set a stop loss to break even as well and be done with it, and then the other half of your trade just leave it open, because your idea in this scenario is to see how far you can ride. If you can ride all of this down, then that's great. If you can ride this whole thing, that's even better, but your aim should be to go as far as possible. So take profit 1, 50% off the table at 1-to-1 take profit risk to reward. The other one, leave it open, let it ride. And that is how you can take yourself from being in the 90% to being in the 10%, because it is that simple. People vastly overcomplicate it, but that's because you've been taught to.